So you told me, I think, that you're a bit of a galloping gourmet, actually use the kitchen, want to cook. I'm sure you'll remember this, don't you? The kitchen is right up front, next to the door, which is a little unusual, but highly, highly coveted for people who actually like to cook and maybe grill outdoors, because I'll tell you, about 90% of the time when you're outside trying to grill up some meat, you're coming into the coach to get something in the kitchen, and it's right here. And look at this. This is an actual kitchen. It has not only an induction cooktop, but it has a convection microwave. It's got a big refrigerator freezer that is a household refrigerator. You see it's got an ice maker, it's got a water dispenser in the front. I think I said it has a dishwasher, but I'll say it again. It has a dishwasher. It's got an island out front, which is a permanent island. That's where your sink is. You've also got more storage space there. And you've also got additional pantry space on the top. And you also have a second pull-out counter space. Isn't that great? You can cook all day long in here if you want to. Looking toward the back in the living area, look at that TV. It is monstrous. One of the biggest TVs I've ever seen in a motorhome. And on top of that, you've got couches that face each other. Beautiful living area, a lot of space to stretch out, put your feet up, enjoy the evening. Got a table for dining, otherwise known as the dining table. Let's go back towards the back and take a look at the rest of this coach. As we get toward the middle of the coach, as you can see, there's a nice big picture window there. And turning toward the right, you enter the bathroom, which is a pretty good sized bathroom with a nice big shower. Everything you need in a bathroom, which, you know, there's only a few things, but you need all that stuff, and it's right there in one room. Handy dandy. Now let's head on out and go toward the very back of the coach. Take a look at the bedroom. Isn't this beautiful? And as you can tell, there's two ways to get to the bedroom. It's a pass-through bathroom, so you can walk straight through it into the bedroom, or you can come through the hallway and access the bedroom as well. Look at that closet. It is magnificent. It is a huge wardrobe with additional areas to put your packages, your shoes, what have you. Just a gorgeous, huge closet. And as you look over toward the left, you will see a big set of dresser drawers. Really, just about all you'd need to go on months-long vacation, or live in for that matter. And this coach has a ceiling fan over the bed, which is a really, really nice addition. You don't see that in that many coaches, and a lot of people love to sleep under a little bit of air that's flowing through. Nightstands on each side. Beautiful, beautiful bedroom. Overall, I'd say this is just a great coach. As I said in the beginning, not very old, just old enough to be a little bit broken in, which is what we all want when we buy a motorhome. You know that, you've seen this coach. I'm surprised you haven't bought this yet. So you ought to come on down. Come on down and see me. My name's Jeff. And we'll sit down and we'll figure this out. And we'll get it in your driveway just as soon as we possibly can, because as you know, you need a motorhome. Come on and see me. Catch you later.